I'm coming to you from the Piedmont area of North Carolina. I want you to enjoy the snowfall with me, but more than that, I'm asking for Al Gore to enjoy it also. We are experiencing temperatures of a high of about 25 degrees today. Lots of snow on the ground, lots of snow continues to fall. Temperatures expected of a low of 10 degrees tonight. All said, probably 30 degrees below average. I am standing out behind a boiler plant that is spewing out tons of CO2, fresh for Mr. Gore to put into his Copenhagen global warming pipe and smoke it. But one brief request, Mr. Gore. Ensure, unlike your New World Order buddy, that you indeed do inhale.